Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the audio asset and the physical speaker. Open Roblox Studio, enable Explorer and Properties so you can see sound and part settings. Import or upload your audio and paste RB's //asset ID into the Sound ID field, set volume and looped as needed. Create a part called Speaker Part and place it where players should hear the source. Once done, parent the sound to that part so spatialization works automatically, and you can proceed to scripting playback. Now you add the server-side logic so the speaker actually plays. In Server Script Service, create a script and get the sound instance via Workspace. Speaker part, find first child, sound. Use sound play to start and sound, stop to stop. If you need client-triggered control, add a remote event and validate requests on the server before calling play. This prevents abuse. Make sure the sounds roll-off mode. Max distance and playback speed are set for desired effect. Once working, test in play mode to confirm everyone hears it. Finish by wiring up client controls and handling common problems. Create a local script for UI buttons that fires a remote event to request play or stop. The server should validate and then call sound play. If audio fails, confirm sound ID uses RB's // plus correct asset number. Streaming enabled is set if large file, and max distance matches intended range. If players report silence, test with play, server mode. Inspect the output for errors, and ensure the sound is parented to a world object the server controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.